Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about my favorite e-commerce platform that I have been working with for many years and with which I make about $75,000 a year. In this short video, I will show you a few life hacks that a few people know about and that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello everyone! Want to tell you the secret of how you can make over $20,000 a month. In this short video, I will introduce you to Xcart, my favorite e-commerce platform. It is as easy to use as possible, which I have been working with for over 5 years. Watch this video to find out a few life hacks that few people know. Look carefully. Let's start. Xcart offers a unique approach to building and hosting an e-commerce store by allowing customers to download licensed software. Unlike most online shopping carts, which aim to provide a full-service platform, Xcart has a slightly different structure. You can choose between a shopping cart with a monthly subscription fee or a software download. Using the software means that you will be hosting your site on your server yourself. You will also be responsible for security, hosting purchases, and customer support. If you want to use the cloud version, you get more features and support, but in the end, you will have to pay a monthly subscription. The choice comes down to whether you are a technical expert. Those who don't mind coding and are used to downloading and installing software will appreciate the flexibility and freedom of the shopping cart. Otherwise, make life easier and upgrade to the cloud version. The downloadable version is really meant for those with design experience. This requires a decent amount of prior knowledge that a beginner simply won't have. On the other hand, the cloud version is easy to use, which means that both beginners and professionals will be able to create an online store launch. The biggest advantage of choosing Xcart is that it has international capabilities. If your website needs to be globally ready, Xcart can help. Like most platforms, Xcart makes it easy to upgrade your plan. Whether you need to add more products or use more data, Xcart can easily adapt as your business grows. This makes it a great candidate for long-term use. The downloadable software comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. However, the terms of the cloud version are unclear at best. If you are nervous about moving to the platform, you can call for accurate information. Though, chances are you can cancel at any time without penalties, which is pretty standard practice. Xcart software has been around for much longer and has a solid reputation. Designers speak highly of the program and immediately note that the software is constantly being updated and improved. Any current flaws are likely to go away with the latest updates. When it comes to new cloud version of Xcart, the jury has yet to be decided. This new branch of the company is still picking up steam. Customer reviews are limited, but look for more information in the coming months as Xcart gains traction. For experienced designers, Xcart software offers a customizable structure and a simple one-time fee. You can enjoy the freedom to customize your security settings with your favorite hosting company and more. For those looking for a simple cloud-based shopping cart, Xcart can certainly provide a significant portion of the functionality you need. However, it is still growing and gaining traction with more established competitors. The main reason for choosing Xcart is that it can handle multiple languages and currencies. It is better suited for international sales than most programs. Since the software allows you to completely customize your site, it makes sense to focus on the design features of the new cloud version. Your options are very limited here. You are given a choice of 4 free themes. If you sign up for one of the higher level packages, you'll have access to CSS and Java to customize your site. Otherwise, you will have to use the default theme and add your logo and images in the Appearance tab. It's easy to make these changes, but your site won't have a fully customized look. For some businesses, customizing the default theme will be sufficient. However, the design doesn't fit all products. You don't need a generic site for highly specialized products. While there isn't much room to make changes here, the design interface is user-friendly given its limitations. The drag-and-drop editor lets you quickly add products and images. If you want to go beyond the required changes, you will need to paste in the code. This means using downloadable software or purchasing a premium plan. With Xcart, it's easy to insert menus and add content. The backend offers a clean design that is easy to navigate. You won't waste time looking for the right tab to make changes. If you've ever added blog posts, you should be able to manage Xcart without any problems. You have 4 themes that you can customize to suit your brand. Premium. Choose a template that works best for your business. Different designs will help make different products stand out. Prices start at $99 and continue to rise. Social media integration. Available add-ons make it easy to integrate your social media accounts into your new site. Custom design services. You can purchase custom design services through Xcart. They will provide you with a personalized offer. While prices will vary, most custom projects will start at a minimum of $1,500. Depending on the amount of work, you can spend between $8,000 and $10,000 on your own website. In terms of plans and pricing, let's start with the most affordable options. If you're a coding lover, you can use the free version of the downloadable Xcart software. This will provide you with the necessary tools to open your store. If you require additional features, the business version requires a one-time fee of $495 for a lifetime license. Just keep in mind that the price only includes 1 year of free updates. You'll have to pay an annual subscription fee to keep the software up to date. Most of you will be interested in cloud pricing packages. In general, Xcart prices are in line with competitors' prices. The basic plan is $19.95 per month. The most popular is a standard plan, $59.95 per month. This puts Xcart at the top of the available shopping carts. Different plans offer different levels of data, storage, and customer support. The more you pay, the better you'll have access to reliable help. The good news is that Xcart doesn't charge any hidden fees. You have to worry about transaction fees that justify the higher monthly fees. If you would like to explore the features yourself, you can sign up for a 15-day free trial. The Xcart customer support section is still under development. This is not to say that there are not many ways to connect with experts, including phone, email, live chat, social media pages. Unfortunately, not all of these resources are available 24/7. Otherwise, you can consult their knowledge base and community forums for answers. Today, Xcart has received positive reviews for the quality of its customer support. Usually, the answers are given relatively quickly, and you can count on good advice. Hopefully, they will continue to expand this area as well as the shopping cart continues to evolve. Ease of use. Most business owners buy a shopping cart platform because they are concerned with ease of use. They don't want to deal with coding custom pages and adding a bunch of plugins. Xcart provides a simple and convenient admin section. Adding content including products and specifications is as easy as possible. The drag and drop editor removes the need for coding. A beginner can easily navigate without the help of a setup wizard and design a store in a few minutes. While still new to the market, Xcart's cloud solution offers a user-friendly interface that rivals more experienced competitors.